Hi, this is Devin Hobb with Remax, and we are in Orem today. We're very close to the University Parkway with all the shopping. There's restaurants and everything you need right here. And then we've got a fourplex that I'm going to take you on a tour on. Hopefully it will help you get oriented around the layouts of them, the condition of them, and what's been replaced, all that. We'll go over that. We're going to ask you to make an offer without coming in person first, and you can have due diligence to come in person later. So hopefully this video will help you learn more about the property. So first off, there are plenty of parking spaces down this driveway. We've got the asphalt driveway here, and it does an L shape, and there's roughly 8 parking spots if everybody was close together. And so there could be 2 parking spots per unit. By the look of things, it doesn't look like all the renters have 2 cars. But there could be about 2 cars. It's an all brick exterior, which is nice. And then right here's the mailboxes for each unit. And I'll go through and take you through each unit one by one. All right, so this is unit 1473. It has a newly placed lease agreement, and they're at $1,300 a month. So this is a pretty nice unit. The carpets have been replaced in recent years. The paint has all been redone in recent years as well. And we have a nice dining spot right here. And it does have a wood looking tile floor. So it's tile with real grout lines and everything. The fridge is going to belong to the owner and transfer through to you. Same with the stove. It's got a dishwasher, stainless steel sink, and quartz countertops. Looks like the cabinets have been updated to white cabinets as well. So right here we've got the washer dryer. They belong to the tenants. And we've got a tile floor here in the bathroom, as well as a nice vanity and then a shower. Here's bedroom number 1. It's probably a 11 by 11. And then we've got bedroom number 2 right here. And this one's big, probably like a 14 by 11. And then it does have a large double wide closet as well. And here's bedroom 3. And it's probably a 10 by 11 or so. It's got the aluminum frame windows, and the utilities would be right here. And this water heater was replaced in the last 2 years, I believe. And the furnace is just tucked behind the wall. You can't see it too well from here. So that is this unit. Okay, so here we are in unit 1475, and you can see the carpet was also replaced at the same time as the other units, and it's been painted in recent years. Good sized living room, and then over here we've got the dining room spot, and we do have the aluminum windows, and then this way we've got these 2 fridges belong to the tenants. The fridge that the owners provided was put in the storage shed on the back side of the fourplex. It works, it's fine, but they preferred to have their fridges. One of them's a freezer, the other's a fridge. And they also have, this microwave belongs to them. The microwave that was provided by the owners is also in the storage shed. This one they like better, fit the countertops better. So we've got the chop, well actually it looks like a chop block, but it's a laminate surface countertop here. And then we've got the washer dryer station. They did upgrade the tile underneath of it. The washer dryer belonged to the tenants. Here's the bathroom, similarly remodeled as the others with the tile flooring as well. And then we've got bedroom number 1 there. The master bedroom here, which is the bigger of the 3. And then we got bedroom number 3 right here as well. All 4 of these units are on swamp cooler systems. The upstairs units have swamp coolers on the roof, and then the downstairs units have swamp coolers sitting just outside the windows during the winter time that can be scooted forward in the summer and put to work. Okay, and now we'll head over to 1479, which is that top unit here. Also, I forgot to mention 1475, the family in there, they are on a month-to-month lease for $1,100 a month. And they would love to stay longer, and they take responsibility to snow plow everything. They plow all the snow off of the driveway and in the parking lot. They've got a little snow blower right here. And so their month-to-month lease is $50 more a month, but then they give them $50 off to manage the snow, so it just stays at $1,100 for them. But they don't have any interest in moving. They'd love to stay a little longer. It's a mom and 3 kids. Nice people. So unit 1479, come up here, we got the concrete steps. All right, so we're in 1479 now, the upper floor. And again, same layout, 3-bed, 1-bath. We've got the living room over here, and we can circle around this way and check out the kitchen. They've got the tile floor in this kitchen that looks like wood. Similar countertops as the previous unit. The fridge belongs to the owner. And then this way here, we've got the dining spot, which is currently an at-home office. We'll go down the hall here. These washer dryers belong to the tenant. Here we've got the full bath. Again, they did do the tile flooring upgrade, a little vanity upgrade with a marble countertop or a Corian countertop, it looks like. So we've got bedroom 1. We got bedroom 2 here, and then bedroom 3. So bedroom 2 is the big one. This unit has had some upgrades. It's had a new dishwasher, a new stove, and a new furnace, and a new water heater. So all of that has been replaced in the last 2 years on this unit. There's a swamp cooler here for the roof. All right, that concludes unit 1479. We weren't able to get access to unit 1477 today, just didn't have time to communicate with them. And hopefully that helps you get a feel for the 3 units that we were able to take you to. And then here we have the storage units. They're each cut in half, and so you got these 2 boxes split in half, 1 for each unit, and then all the parking. That concludes the tour of this 4-plex, and feel free to reach out to me with questions or the agent you're already working with, and thank you for watching.